A reminder that on the 5th of April, I'll be hosting you alongside my sister in healing, Wendy Pohole, the medium. Will be hosting you for the Love, Life, and Grief seminar. So kindly do the right thing if you still haven't reserved your slot, or rather your seat. Okay. So I'll be seeing you on the 5th of April at the Birchwood Hotel and Conference Center. And kindly note that I'll be having cleansings on the first Saturday, last Saturday. I'll put the date up there. I didn't check the dates. I'm so sorry. I'm still open for bookings for that. And next week I am back at work and we're still taking bookings for virtual consultation. I'm almost fully booked for the month of March. I think we have about 10 slots left. And anything else, you'll be booked into April. So yeah, what else am I missing? Oh, the combos for the ladies, they are sold out. But new stock is coming in next week. So if you are still wanting to buy the combos, the vaginal combo, combo your cares and all those things are available. I'll be back at work next week to sort out your packages and courier everything properly. I am going to be hosting a small online seminar of dream interpretations. So if you are one of those people that wanted a dream interpretation, but it will be happening at a mass scale. So I'll be teaching all things spirituality and it will be happening on Zoom. So right now we're still settling for Zoom because I don't know how many people to expect. So kindly note that these are the details for that. So it's an hour 30-minute seminar, and depending on how far we take it, so we'll be talking everything dreams and everything else, especially for the spiritual hands, and basically talking. So it'll be a large scale and it's going to be a safe space, so don't worry. So the online dream interpretation and counseling will be happening very soon. I think by the time I upload this, the flyer should be here. And if you want to be part of this, the details are available. Please book your session and make sure that you are available on that date so that I'm able to assist you. And I'll be teaching on the basics of spirituality, connecting namadlozi, dreams, and all these type of things. And if anything else, I'll I am Port Wabadimu, the advocate of Idlozi, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for choosing to view this video. If you still haven't subscribed to the channel, I suggest you do so. And don't forget to click on the notification button so that you are notified every time there is new content on the channel. Don't forget to like this video and leave your comments below to keep the conversation buzzing. And welcome to another episode of Ndumba Chronicles. But first, kindly note that the membership for the channel has changed. So join the channel club. So that is for the OGs of the channel. So if you are a super lover of everything that we are, this family, and you want exclusive stuff, because I'm going to be going back into vlogging and all these type of things, but those will be kind of exclusive stuff. So if you one of those people, kindly join the membership. It is 30 Rand monthly. Upatala 30 Rand. 30. So kindly join the membership and an Injeli logo. Let's get right into it. Welcome to the third installment of David and his multiple wives. Okay, family, my voice is behaving today. I am on heavy medication. I'm on concoctions. Literally, when I go to bed, I'm literally passing out. So it's good because at least I'm a bit audible. It's just that we're still working on the cough and we're still working on those little things. But I'm glad that I am sounding and looking better, obviously, anyway. So grab yourself something to drink because it's going to get hectic. Sagazani, I am Port Wabadimu, the advocate of Idlozi. Ever heard of the term that kunabantu abanamadlozi amakhulu or abantu abanamandlozi amancane? There is no such thing. People have created these unrealistic hierarchies of spiritual power, making people to doubt themselves in their spiritual gifts or spiritual inheritance. We are all descendants of greatness. The only difference between you and I and the next healer is our different assignments facilitated through our different spiritual gifts. Comparison has led a lot of spiritual hands thinking that they are either inferior or superior to others. Do not fall trap to toxic spirituality by people suffering from narcissistic personality disorders and hiding behind their gifts. You are great and you should know that and live in that truth. We all come from a history of rich power and greatness. Remember, the gift is passed down from generation to generation, and as it goes, the gift evolves and becomes much more amplified and more stronger. Be great enough to know who you are and humble enough to accept your power. So sad that there are spiritual hands obsessed with ukukotamela and being idolized or being revered or sometimes even feared. Shy away from these stereotypical norms that have taken over spirituality and own your greatness, because at the end of the day, regardless of how you were initiated, who initiated you, or the type of gift you have, the borderline of everything that we are doing is healing and light work. So don't let comparison steal the serenity within your spiritual journey. As isangoma siyahamba sithwasa idlozi, sithwase ubungoma. So if isangoma sihamba siyothwala idlozi liyahamba, because right now wena bohambile uyothwala ubungoma, uyothwala idlozi, whatever it is you want to say. So now you brought something else into the household, so it means mina ngipompa strategy. So in most cases abantu abaningi amadlozi abo ayabashiya because and they end up becoming greedy and they want power and they want all these kind of things, and it's just weird vibes. But who are we to judge at the end of the day? But at the end of the day, and secondly, the people that abahamba abayotwala, excuse me, and izinto zingavumi weba idlozi lakho liyala. But in this instance, David says the only battle he was fighting was ugogo wakhe. Ugogo uthandaze waze wawoma umlomo wavela lezi zinto lezi ezimhlophe athandaza, Nkosi baba simakade wena wase Jericho, wena owakhipha uMoses emanzini, wena owasigibeza intaba, wena osilisa inyama, wena osipakede, wena izindodana kaDavide, yo nangu David, ufuna izalo, yo thibang, yo asathi usabhekile uDavid abunye nesinye isithwalo, ugogo athandaze azothatha amafast, ugogo azofaka isiphika, ugogo afake iduku, ugogo abize nabomama besanto bazothandaza endlini, bathandaza bakhiphe ispirit lesi uDavid esimngenile yokulanda igubhu. Guys, angisho nizwile ngintilile ngathi uDavid sihlini igubhu, but mind you ugogo uze washona alokathi mama yo waze wathula ugogo washona iyobonana emathuneni, uyale ngocolo ugogo askisi. But kule couple lezi eziyi-16 uDavid uthi ezinye zazo bezifika zingasebenzi, ezinye zazo bezifika zisebenze athi, but it's so hard to throw out these things. So now David has two houses. He has a house where ahlala naye nomuntu wakhe, and then he has a house where he does all these spiritual shenanigans. So you can imagine that makabuya laphayana etoyohando uhambe waya straight laphaya kulendlu yakhe yama-spookies and ookies. So David, fast forward, he's at his house 7 days uhleli athi David lo baba lo yampho uthi mangiceda uphuma kule room leya after leya scene leya ngafaka kwelinye room angagcatshwa athi bengicatshwa nenginto engayazi but beyimboswe ingubo ne bengingakhali next but you could see the blanket took shape of a person. So uti, I thought that probably I'm gonna walk out with this person or itwasa or something, but I was only given a bag. You understand? So to David, you can mind you, I just had sex. Mind you, I just collapsed. It's in the AM. I want to go. As long as next, but into zakhona zizired. Ngelanga le-6 makuzosa kube le-7 uzofika lobo uzomthatha. David, I'd say, okay, because ngihambile, I'm expecting, you know, all the spookies, because David, uthi lendlu yami leyana, it was a mini brothel house. Yabo, I'm using the word brothel because I'm trying to explain. David, kere bophelo bo luxurious, kere abuti wa di sika, le di Dom Perignon, le di Don Julio, le di Petros, what is it, alcohol? You never know what to say. What's the same shame? David, ke abuti ba le ba o fitla ditlapong, ba o tlatsa ditrafola hore banyana ba etlela, yena ha e ka bona, hore wa fitla ba dula fela, a re yena wa mona, ke re endumeni no go tletse cologne ya David. Impepho was literally here and David's cologne was here. It was a battle of the scents. But what I can tell you is that David was a very fine man. David is babi, and he wants very wabani malu velu babi kakhulu. So lalelani, David athi ayikho intombazana enhlabini bengafuna ukuzibona kunami. Yabona intombazana enitha premium nina, akuma entertainment, ayenzani athi abuya lapha kuleya mansion yami leyana, le nama spookilings, because I have to take them there. Either way, I can't take them to my house because obviously what are they going to do in my house? Because taking them to that mansion serves a purpose. But let me not spoil the gibberings before I get into the salt. So anyway, fast forward, David is there sitting. Athi mpongilele flati, ngiyahlanza day 1, day 2, day 3, akungeni next, amanzi in. And mind you, lapha endlini, ngi-1 with my butler and there's security outside. And a chef like just comes, yabo, now and then when and the helper also, she comes twice a week. Ati mpo endlini, you'd swear I live with 10-15 people. You are hearing footsteps uze umnyango uvaleka upstairs, uze kuvuleka ini laphaya kuvuleka ini, but it's kuza abantu. The house goes dead quiet. These things normally, the spirit activity happens between 1 a.m. and 4 a.m. At that time, obviously, I'm up. Uze kuhleka ugogo laphana ongazi ukuthi ugogo kabani or ugogo wami lona bekashonile angisazi, but uthi there was a lot of things happening. Uthi endlini nje mawuhleka ngihlela laphana, I couldn't. So that's why I would be always hosting parties, having girls over, having my colleagues over. Whenever I'm in that house, I don't want to be alone, and I don't want to go to that house sober because I know what happens when you go down there. You can understand that there's a lot of things, but because I knew that those things are mine, actually, ezinye zazo lezinto lezi, you'd find that I have to separate igroup esingifake in the other room, esingifake in the other room. As impho ifoni yami igcwele abathwalisi. Athi khona nomunye engaya kuyo loyo West, wathi uzonginikeza isigubhu se 1 million. Lalelani, David athi mpho ngelanga le-6 awu-4 ntambama weather chint. Athi ngilele ngithi ithinge downstairs yabo, try kudla something ngibona ukuthi ngayenzani. Athi ibutler yakhe akaboni yabo, because the house is big, is probably resting, but the butler also naye, he knew the shenanigans, so usebenza laphayana, but uyazi mara mina deep down I feel like lama butlers lawa labantu laba, they are not human. I don't know if you hear me. They're not human, because you can't stay in a house that does that because he's not partying every day, if you know what I mean. But anyway, David acting it downstairs and pong ngithi ngizenzela isandwich. Ay, ngiyazini ngiyabona ukuthi manethe ngenza ayikho, so I decided to sit in the kitchen. Athi where the chinto mpokunethe. Athi kuloko kunetha kanje. Hey, ngithazini it's in like the light downstairs, because obviously in Fingolala most mina, what am I gonna do? Ati mind you, angaka gezi, but say 7 days. Ati kukiwe, akukhulumanga anything ukuthi kunomuntu ongenayo egate. Ati but as you know kemnyango. Athule. Athi maybe mvula. Ibuye futhi knock. Athule David. Hi, asitshela ukuthi maybe bad yakhe maybe ukhiyelekile outside because umnyango loyo uthi boba ne-problem the front door. Hayi uDavid athi hayi ngizidonse mangifika lapha yana ngivula umnyango akunamuntu. Hayi ngivala umnyango. So David Diamond, oh am I starting to hear things manje kwenzakalani? So David yazini a light la khuphuka ye upstairs. Afike athi ngene embedeni Mpho. No kids again about 8, 9. Ngalala gone. Yazi bengihlele ngikhathele kuba ngathi khona into bengiyenza heavy. Athi ngabo 12 i-body clock yakhe kicked in yabo. Athi David i-body clock yami mangile lapha it always kicks in ngabo 12 ngiyaphaphama vele because I know ukuthi I have to be up. Abanye mele ngiyobaphakela ngale mele ngiyonaka ukuthi kwenzakalani because there's just a lot of things happening and also mele ngireport kunabanye abafuna ukunakwa. It's just a lot of things, so it's just a lot okwenzakala ngegroup guys. I mean I don't think ngizokhona. I can't ngathi ngidlula kindumbuya. And then now what happens when I have 16? But it's like having 16 kids. The most painful part is that I don't even have kids of my own because sidle inzalo yami. Umfazi wami akekho umuntu omisikhara njengomfazi wami. Umfazi wami uzozitshela ukuthi ukheshile isizu kana zo. So saying is a give up because naye and ukuthatha kwami le group and all these things lazy, it has let the relationship uthi be nama cracks endlini akusekho right. Khona nesinye Mpho enginaso lesa sihlala endlini ngisakhele indle encane ngaphandle because ungazuthe umdoda mkhulu or something like that. Ndoda enkulu or something like that. Athi loyo ke ngimphakela once in a while and uyangitshela ukuthi ufunani. Anyway, guys, David is known for his luxurious lifestyle. He is infamous. When you say infamous, he's not famous. He's infamous, but the known ones known him because David, he's those guys that you can't mess with him. He's like, yabo, the creme de la creme. Nitsuena Jaguar. Nitsuena Porsche. Nitsuena Lambo. Nitsi Kibalantuna. Kire muto onalintlu. Almost in every province. Cape Town, only beach house. Durban, only David is living luxurious. Hoke Gucci, ibutwa kwa yena. Hoke Gucci, even like Kondumene, he was wearing a designer. Designer is in Luna yako small. Hey, you could tell that he's wearing expensive, but it was small details. You can just tell what. Oh, shit, Louis. But anyway, with David, he was living a lavish life, but an empty life. Uthi Mpho ayikho into ebhlungu njengokuthi ubone into eyenzakalayo ebusuku to these young ladies, to these young boys, gay boys particularly. Athi once you start sleeping with one of us, it's a chain. You can't stop. And it's yazana. Well, I think we don't know that we know each other, but we know each other because we know what we are doing. So ugazi lo lwakho ubanigazi lethu. You might think, oh, I'm sleeping with a wealthy guy, I'm securing the bag, I need to sleep with a rich man so that I attract money. Uthi, it's a chain. You move from me, you go to Tebogo. You move from Tebogo, you go to Sipho. You move from Sipho, you go to Brian. But we are the same caliber of people because we're now so kwinyegile and imali yethu because ayihlali. It comes, it's magic money. It's too much money. I have a lot of money and that money, I'm telling you, is not even captured. So ngiyazinceda ngokuthi ngingathanda izinto, ngingathanda abantu that are rich. I'm a blesser lawa. They're not blessing you. They are robbing you of your destiny. And we want you, Nina Lava, any right, any bahle in the, because we know you have something to give. And when you're thinking you're just giving us as, Tina, we are paying you for your soul. I can give you 100K, I can give you 1 million, but I know, Gutsi, what I'm taking from you, and sometimes when I take you to my place, it's not even me that's sleeping with you. ngiqale kancane, and now bese ngilala nawo ngi-anger because yilento le engenzisa lento ukuthi ngiyenze athi but lempilo lena engiyiphilayo, I'm not proud of it. My wife doesn't deserve half of the things I am doing when she's not there because of greed. At some point, you can think, and as right now, I can call anyone, but still, I'm not satisfied because it even got to a point where I took drugs and I was like, what the hell am I doing? Lento mailana ilana. Ikbegile. And you don't know what you are facing that night because I can't the shift to the chinchan. I'd see David Mpong. Inokle sengizwa la ikamereni. Athule. Ibuye futhi. Athi ngilide. Athule. Hello. Athi maybe kimsali yakhe. Ambize ngegama. Busi kwena tu. Hi, athi maybe ama-jib rings lawa. Athi but why ama-jib rings? Akazangigogotele mina. Awangihami mina ngimaster wabo ayimela ngihami. Athi into ithi phakama evula umnyango. Athi makavula lapha umnyango, lo and behold, hayi ke babukeli ke emakhaya sisivala kanjalo esamnamhlanje isiqephu sika David namakhosikazi akhe. Let me catch you on the next segment, which is part 4. David's story is quite long. I didn't realize until I started recording, and I'm almost at the middle. I'm almost at the juicy parts, but yeah, it's a long story. Don't forget to join the channel membership. It is important for you as a loyal subscriber of the channel. There are nice exclusive perks that are coming with that. Exclusive lives, exclusive David, whatever, it's a special appearance. It's a special appearance. Special appearance. But join the channel membership, guys. I'm so drowsy. I am so drowsy. I'm trying to keep afloat, but I'm so drowsy. I think it's the medication. It's kind of hard to concentrate on things. So I don't know when this will be up, but if it's up today, which is Thursday, that means I'm a striker. But if not, I'll probably upload it on Friday and try because it was also hard editing the previous video and uploading. I literally slept with my phone in my hand like this, like gosh, the things we go through for each other. So please make sure that you join the channel membership, and don't forget to sign up for the spirituality 1-on-1. Okay, so it's gonna be very dope. It's just gonna be an online situation where a couple of us spiritual hands, I'll be teaching on the basics of spirituality, connecting namadlozi, dreams, and all these type of things. And if you feel like you need something like this, then it'll cost you only 250 rand. So all you need to do is just head on to our famous WhatsApp line on 079-816-0199 and let my sister know that you are signing up for the spirituality 1-on-1 online class that is coming. I think when we started the video, I didn't have the title and the description for it, so I think now you'll probably have an idea. So yeah, let's do that. So I'll see you soon, guys. I don't know when, but let's wrap up this David story. We got 7 more stories to go. So actually 8 more stories to go. So let us push. But please, guys, join the channel membership. It is 30 rands, 310 rands. It don't cost you anything. And don't forget to use your super thanks button, and don't forget to also like this video and leave your comments down below. So you can imagine I've been off YouTube for a while now, and a lot has changed. So I'm trying to get in the groove of things and actually work on also, yeah, the channel. Basically, guys, I'm just rambling. Can we have this conversation when I'm not drowsy like this? Okay, so from me to you, it is nothing but love and light. Thank you so much for your love and continuous support. I am Po Abadimu, the advocate of Idozi, and thank you so much for tuning in to the channel and coming through to view this video. And damn, I wonder what's next for David. Who do you think is knocking at the door? What do you think is knocking at the door? Are we gonna find out? Are you gonna get an answer? Or is David having hallucinations? Guys, can you live in David's mansion? You see what? One thing I can tell you, everybody in this life has got skeletons and everybody is pretending. And one thing I can tell you is that if you're not ready to experience both the dark and light, you're not ready for the bigger scale of life. I don't know if I'm making sense to you. Especially I can speak about maybe the entertainment space. That's when you get to see a lot of things. Actually, I don't even want to talk about that. Bye, guys.